That sound like a Ferrari. So you go from a front room to a bedroom.
Look at that. Naughty, bruv.
This is me and Sam at work. We're just enjoying life right now.
Right, ready, boy? Come breaks with Sam.
Oh dear.
I'm trying to alt-delete. That's alt-delete. So what happens is, yeah, when you've got memories that you don't want to see, you just alt-delete. Alt-delete. Like my wife's been give birth 5 times. So every time she gives birth, I alt-delete like that and just blink quickly. Because I forget what happened. I'm going to get alt-delete, alt-delete, alt-delete.
Is that why I got 5?
That's why I got 5 children. What I know of.
Oh yeah.
Needs must something.
Thank you. Sausage and ketchup. That's for the vegan cameraman.
Vegan cameraman.
Not vegan.
You're not vegan?
Not vegan.
He said, why did you say he's vegan then?
You look like you should be vegan.
I look like I should be vegan. That's really insulting.
We got a 3-hour journey now, all the way over to 7 days, because today we are doing some more videos for 7 Days Performance, who also sponsor on Fix Radio. It's nice and early. What time did you leave this morning?
5.
5. I left my house at about 5:30. Should get there by about 9:30.
Brad got back from Tenerife at 1 this morning, didn't he?
I had a baby of 17-month-old in my bed for 2 hours, elbowing me, biting me and being sick all over me.
Did you enjoy that?
This is the high life, bro.
By the way, this is Ben, the cameraman. Is it nice?
Look at the sausage hanging out of his mouth!
Well, like body washy type things.
I'll do makeup.
Just won a Lamborghini.
Happy New Year, mate.
And you?
Oh, there's goodies,
Which one do you want?
This Ferrari.
Ferrari?
Yeah.
Could you get in that?
Yeah.
It suits you.
And that?
Yeah.
I'd love a Ferrari. It's not quite elegant. How is it?
Sam getting out of Rory.
It's not elegant.
I don't know, I think I'd look like a twat in that. Do you know what I mean? I think I look stupid in a Ferrari. Lamborghini Urus, that's nice.
Oh, that'll do.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Bloody hell.
McLaren.
That is sick.
That's wicked, isn't it? Look at that though, for your boot.
That's my dream car, that.
Is it?
Yeah.
We've been doing that as a competition. You get to get in and have a rev of it.
Stop it.
A 60 grand cash alternative, meaning that's probably about 80 grand worth of car. Are you into bikes?
No.
Dangerous, bruv, they kill you.
Yeah.
I like the look of them and I like the idea of it, and I think they're cool and I get the buzz, but I'd smash up a moped. I'd drive a moped into a wall or something.
Yeah.
That's me. There it is. Does that sound like a Ferrari?
Yeah, exactly the same.
That's a 40-year-old man, midlife crisis, gets out of a Ferrari. Fella's got that?
Yeah, he's coming today.
Oh, wow.
What was the cash alternative on that type? 300 grand on the car.
What, and he's taking the car?
I would take 300 grand.
The guy won with us before. He won a C63 a while ago, and he took that. He said he went through, I think he had some kind of tough times and ended up crashing it, or someone crashed into him. And then he's won this one and, yeah, taken it. But I'm surprised he can get insured on it.
Good on him, mate.
I would not be taking that if I've crashed it.
Good on him, have some fun with it.
Wait, so he won a car before, and he's won another one?
Yeah, so sometimes people are just super lucky. Obviously, anyone who wins, there is a big degree of luck in it. But we also have people that just go big on these competitions. So
That's a mad front now, isn't it?
That's well nice.
That's mad.
Are you allowed to enter?
no. I mean, there's no way of fixing it. It's just a ball machine like the National Lottery, so
Yeah, we'll show you.
they spin
No, I'm
round.
not saying like fixing it, I'm just saying like, are you allowed to?
It would just look
It would
terrible.
look bad, wouldn't it?
Yeah, if I'm there doing the draw, it's like, okay, good luck, everyone's entered in this one, and the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ goes to Toby. Yes, thank you very much for all entering. I'll be taking this home.
Look at that. That's the best camper I think we've done. We've done loads of VW transporters, but that's a crafter. That's a bigger version of it. Inside here, look at the quilt on that. It's like honeycomb. Kitchenette. Even splooshed it up with the old tap. Look at the tap in here. Sink. Whee! Glitz and glamour going on with the sink with a copper look. This is great. Oh, wait, look at it. Sam, where was the button there? Did you just turn the key? Oh, watch this. There's the bed.
Careful.
So you go from a front room to a bedroom. Oh, you just cocked your little TV up there.
Now.
Look how it's built. Look, so it's all out of plyboard. That's an MDF bottom, and that's a veneer ply. So a carpenter, and I always say this, us builders, right, we're underestimated in the world. I'd say in the world, because without us builders, a carpenter has made this. So without a carpenter doing what he does, you wouldn't have the luxury of driving around the country in such luxury like this. Yeah. And without us builders, you wouldn't have schools, restaurants, coffee shops, whatever. Us builders are looked down upon. We're like just the working class of the world. Well, no, because without us, you posh people in your nice offices wouldn't be able to do your jobs. All you solicitors that are earning fortunes. I think the builders are underpaid. Look at the luxury in that. Look at the craftsmanship in that. 20p a ticket wins you the camper van plus £5,000 in cash. If you don't want that, you can win £70,000. Got me coffee. I like that cup. I wasn't a fan of this old clear plastic sort of stuff, but I quite like that because you get to see what it looks like all the way through. Because you ever wonder, you know, when you get a cup of coffee and that's all you can see, do you ever think to yourself, it's like looking at the bottom of the ocean, what's below it? But now the answer's there. Because sometimes I do sit there. I do. I sit there and I'll look at it like that and I'll just contemplate life's decisions and I think, what's below that? What is at the end of that coffee cup? Now I don't need to think, I can just look up and I can see.
Brad, are you right?
Yeah, it's the coffee's gone to me nut. Oh, we've got a Range Rover, my darling, a Range Rover Sport First Edition, and this is up for grabs for just 26p a ticket. 26p, darling. Plus you get £5 to go towards your insurance and whatever else, and if you don't want that, you can have £75 cash alternative. You're taking that car. Innit? It suits you. It suits him. Oh, they
I had to sign it in.
Oi, that's a tool. Right, why are we driving a full transit about for work? Why ain't we driving a car like this about for work?
Look at that first edition.
That's where you can win the tickets, ladies and gentlemen. 7 days performance. Best of the best motors they put up for grabs. Oh.
I want one.
I told you. I told you, didn't I, cuz?
This is
This is me and Sam at work. We're just enjoying life right now.
This is lovely.
Unfortunately, we can't enter.
Yeah.
We're not allowed, so we're just making the most of it now.
You take the van back and we'll take this.
Well, do me a favour. I'll just drive around there a little bit. Let me feel it, bruv.
This is nice. This is nice.
Hey, look at the rowdy Rari over there.
Oh yeah.
Range Rovers, Ferraris. We've got everything you need, ladies and gentlemen. Everything you need.
Look at that. It's naughty, bruv. You know, like when a truck's got like loads of wheels, or like a bin lorry, and then the back. This is more me. Ah, lovely truck.
Ford motor.
I know where all the buttons are in this one. I love these. This thing is mental.
Get out my car.
This is insane. Have you seen the interior?
Yes, I have. Get out my car.
Mate, it's crazy. Oh my God. It's got track mode. Do not use on public roads. It turns everything off. Can't even use the radio.
Oh.
Yeah, that's nice.
Different, isn't it?
Yeah, I'd have one of them.
Oh, Benny boy, the cameraman. Give it a rev. Oh, mate. 20p a ticket.
Oh. I can't wait. I'm going to watch the darts tonight.
You're going to watch darts?
Final. It's probably already happened about a week ago when this video goes out. But
of course.
I'm going to go watch Luke Littler versus Van Gogh tonight.
And that is it, and I want to go to bed. Because I am very tired after coming back from holiday and coming straight up here to do a day's worth of filming. But we are done. That was our last competition. Number 4 for January. We're back up in February actually for another day's worth of filming.
Yes.
I've had 3 hat changes. I don't know if you've noticed within the vlog, but I had a cap on, I've had a green beanie, and now I've got a bobble hat.
And I've had 0 hat changes, but I'm starving, so we're going to go and get some food.
We are, ain't neither. Are you hungry? Yeah,
He's
I'm
vegan,
hungry.
isn't he?
Oh, he's vegan.
Yeah, vegan. We're
Got
getting
a
some vegan sausages.
We're going to get him some vegan.
Not vegan.
I'm not vegan, he said.
Good
I love
first
it.
day. Good first day, Ben.
Do you know
Good
what? I
first
think
day,
it's been
mate.
a great first day back in 2025. I'm looking forward to what's going to be coming up in the year, and we are
Yes.
going to have lots coming up on a daily.
On a daily basis.
On a daily for our YouTube channel. We're going to be pumping out lots of content. We've got 2 houses to refurb this year. We've got plenty more cars to run competitions on.
Yes.
And whatever else comes. Me and him might even take up ice skating, you never know.
Who knows?